Che bella. Che bella, sono la figlia mia. Ciao. Oh.
Dancing for Daddy. No, you're not doing it.
Oh, what's wrong with you, Michelle? That's our little girl.
She's listening.
Come on, let's see one of those big smiles you can do. Scotty! I see a smile. Look at how big you are. I can't. You found your fingers. Yes. Oh, yes.
Hi, baby. You smile for mommy, huh?
Let's see a big one of those big smiles that you can.
Come on.
Huh?
Come on, good girl. Oh, can Daddy get that smile?
Ooh.
Oh.
She looks so concerned now.
What do you see? Smile at mommy. Come on. Come on, you can smile. Yes. Come on. Show us a big smile.
Come on, I know you can smile bigger than that.
Oh, come on. Yes. What a pretty smile. Come on. Come on, Alexandra. You're looking at Daddy now. Come on, smile for mommy. Smile for mommy. We don't feel like smiling now, huh?
Does that taste good, Alexandra? Hmm? Yeah? Come on, smile for Daddy. Come on. Come on. Come on, you silly. Come on. Come on. Look at those toes. Don't you want to kiss them? Hmm? Hmm? You silly little girl. Seashell. Now you're sitting up. Look at the way Mama has chubbed you up, little girl.
With breast milk. Ooh,
Yeah.
yes, you love your mommy, huh? She's silly. She's a silly mommy.
A goo-goo girl.